So CHP has to take off. They got a call.
The rotors aren't even turning.
They're not even turning yet. But we gotta wait.
Is his engine on?
His engine's on.
Does he have a wing tank? Do you know?
I don't know what he has.
He's gonna run out of fuel. CHP rotors aren't even turning.
Okay. I'll tell him to go. If he have to come down, he'll tell me.
Wait, no, that's dangerous. Don't do that. These guys might suffer. If the airport has told you not to, then...
Yeah, I told him I'd wait.
Yeah, let's wait.
So then I'll get the music going and pull people back in.
Can you send a message to him?
He knows.
I hope he has a wing tank. He will know. If he goes too far, too long, he'll stop it.
I'll pay you in donuts. Pay you in donuts. There you go. They're making us wait. The CHP got a call, so we got to wait till they go up. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, look, I don't have enough steering on this.
So then just somebody push it out?
No, I'm talking about because of the crosswind.
Oh.
Runway is actually a little narrow. I mean, from here it looks narrow.
Okay, it's okay. Is the rudder effective? Because once you're in the wind, once you're in the wind, or what? Okay, well it's up to you. Because as soon as you get down the runway here, it's right down the runway. So rudder should take over, hopefully. All right, there they go. Okay, the rotors are turning on the CHP helicopter. So as soon as he's cleared, we get the all okay, we're going to go up with the last jet. Bear with us, please.
Okay.
This is an active airport, even though we have it on a NOTAM. So we got to do what they say to do, and they said stop.
We fly for the ship phone anyway.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter if you don't have
He's fine. I can't control.
Right. I think we have to do a mass fly after.
We can't. Why not? We have time.
So everything out on fly.
Do Jack, and then we'll do a whole bunch. Whatever.
All of us.
Okay. Sure.
What the hell?
Once he's up, we'll get everybody here. Why not?
Let's try to get a little more crazy with the Avantis and the Sky Force.
Well, I don't know if we're
The Hawk was just too
We're
much.
gonna go do a mass flight.
No, that's Ricky.
Oh, Ricky.
Yeah. Yeah, he's backing up. People have ADD. So as soon as things stop happening, they go away. But then as soon as things come back, they'll come right back. So just give it time. We'll be all right. Everybody's going to the real one taking off.
We got a pretty decent audience anyway, and now it's, maybe there's a second group. Or
there will be. There will be. As soon as they're out of here, we'll be good. Because everybody's going to the real thing right now. As soon as that's in the air, we're good.
I'm bloody sorry for all the shit that ends up in their eyes. My stick tension.
It's all right.
So my CG was so low.
You did good, but everybody, I don't know this because you guys flew fine.
So that's the funny part.
Yeah.
I was flying in 45-degree elevator
the whole time?
and then last turn where I'm trying to flare, it's 100% elevator. It's just barely raising the nose.
Yeah, but look at all the runway we have. So.
Okay. Plus I have power. So
Yeah.
it's like, oh, screw this, I'll go 40%.
Oh, they're probably on a chase.
They're on a call. Yeah. They gotta go.
There she goes.
Yeah. They're on a call. They got a call. They have to go.
Okay, we'll wait until the CHV heli is safely out of sight, and then we'll commence our remaining 2 flights.
So you gotta do the jet and then the mass
And
flight?
then you guys were going to do a mass flight. That's just the way we're going to end it, okay?
Okay.
He's not turning back, is he, right?
No, he's done. He's out.
We gotta get clear though.
But we have to get clear from Femi, the guy who runs the airport.
Okay.
Everything that we can fly,
So
fly.
we'll just space it out. So Jack will go up, you guys go up, do your thing, and then we'll
Just
have,
throw everybody else out too.
and then we'll throw a couple. I want it to be kind of structured. I don't want it to be too crazy, but we'll get everything to go.
Everybody went up to helicopters.
They're gonna come back.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they'll
I'm not worried about it. But this guy has to fly.
Yes.
He's going to fly.
He's
So
committed, he's gotta fly.
so once that, you guys go ahead and get ready. I'll take off in part of the mix too, but you guys
Yeah,
can.
all we have to do is switch on. We're all
Yeah.
set.
Okay. Cool. We're good. I'll take up the pink plane. I'll take up something else. We'll go. We gotta wait for the big jet. Then we're gonna do one last one so Jack can fly too. Then we'll be good.
So we've got the Otters and the Cessnas and then the
Yeah.
Avantis.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. So we're not gonna do anything structured. It's just gonna be fly,
Just
do a
put
couple
around.
things, fly around,
Yeah.
do a couple passes, land. You know,
Maybe
do a
couple
few.
touch and goes
Yeah.
if you want.
With that thing you can. But everybody that walked over there is gonna come back, so we'll be good.
So, but I can fly for the full 8 minutes?
Yeah, because that's gonna be the last. We're done after that.
Oh, no Avantis?
Well, no, that's what I'm saying. Fly the Otter.
Everything.
Fly the Otter.
You
Get
gotta
some
pick one
passes.
plane you wanna fly.
Or if you can get the Avantis in quick, we'll do it. We got time. We're running out of time though because it's
Why
already
don't you do
1:30.
Yeah, I already put the bag off for 2 minutes.
Okay. They'll be all right. They have to wait. Everybody's gonna come back. So maybe you want to fly your Avanti instead of the Otter, or do you want to fly the Otter too? Yeah. I think the jets would be better. So we could be flying jets while they're flying.
flying with Jack and Bomb. Then that
Jets.
We fly jets with Jack and Bomb it. Seriously.
Oh, we do?
Yeah. They'll go up and we'll go up. But we have to stay clear of them. You get? Yeah. Yeah. But we got to wait for the okay from Femi.
Okay, we have to go ahead for the jets to light up.